gonna get loud, I think, when I open these. On cue. 300 please for accommodation.
Oh no. Pretty sure we've been to the same places because the shopkeepers have also been saying, welcome back.
So it's juicy. And so yummy.
It's been a church, then a church, or a different kind of church, and then a mosque, then a museum, and then a mosque. How much is that?
Presently free. Turkish people are so nice. We're Nicole and Mico. In 2021, we decided to take the leap and trade our 9-to-5 jobs in order to travel full-time. We believe travel is one of the best ways to build understanding between people. So we've hit the road on a journey to learn more about new cultures, unique places, and different foods. We'd love for you to join us, and if you're interested in coming along, you'll find new videos here twice a week. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Istanbul. We made our way to Turkey, and now we are in the capital where there are 15 million people, and of course, East meets West.
With that many people and that much history in the city, it can be a little bit overwhelming. A lot of sights, smells, and sounds. But today we're gonna jump right in and hope to see a few different attractions.
But we've set ourselves a budget of $100 US. So we are gonna get this day on the go and see how much we can pack in for 100 bucks. So $100 US on today's exchange rate is 882 lira. So that's what we're gonna get at right now. We got our 880 lira, or $100 US.
Should be enough for the day.
300 please for accommodation.
Oh no.
That is how much an Airbnb costs here in Turkey. And actually, if you want, we'll give you a quick show of what our Airbnb looks like from the day we got in.
Nicole's here to give us a little bit of a tour of what we can get in Istanbul.
The grand tour. Welcome to the bachelor suite, because the bed is right in the kitchen in the living room. The living room, 10 steps further, now we're like 3. Adorable little table, which is our dining table and our coffee table. Tiny little couch, which is perfect. And then my favorite part, the kitchen. It's got a couple of burners, a small little mini fridge, laundry, we have washing machine, utensils and stuff in here, all the basics. Pots. And a pan. These are adorable. These are actually so cute. They're actually such nice dishes. Okay, and then the bathroom. A beautiful ornate sink. Your basic toilet. Lovely mirror. And then to the right when you walk in the bathroom is actually the shower. Ta-da! Okay, and then the last thing to show you is the view. It's gonna get loud, I think, when I open these. On cue.
Welcome to Istanbul.
Welcome to Istanbul. So the first order of business after accommodation was breakfast, which we managed to get for $1.50 because we always do cereal and milk, which is actually enough for the two of us for 2 breakfasts. So, $1.50 for breakfast.
We're making our way to our first stop today, which is gonna be the Grand Bazaar. First, we gotta maneuver through these streets. It's very lively here. It's just a little over 9 in the morning. Did you know Istanbul was built on 7 hills? We didn't, but today's fact check proved that's true. All right, we're getting closer to shops.
We are. We were also told by our host at our Airbnb that it's actually much better to purchase things from just outside of the Grand Bazaar. You'll actually pay like a much more reasonable price than if you buy in the Grand Bazaar, because the rents in the Grand Bazaar are so high. So naturally, prices are inflated. Okay, thank you. Forget how to say thank you.
So friendly.
So friendly. It's so far. Teşekkür ederim, I think.
Nicole's trying to figure out how to say no thank you in Turkish. I think it's gonna be used a lot while we're here in the bazaar.
Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. It's a roll VR, which is not something I'm very good at.
How do you say no?
Teşekkür ederim.
Say no?
No, no
teşekkür.
ederim.
Close enough. Okay, I think this is definitely Grand Bazaar Alley or something like that. We're getting closer. So the Grand Bazaar is one of the oldest and largest markets in the world.
It actually spans 61 streets here in Istanbul and has more than 4,000 shops. So it's just an easy place to wander around in and just get lost, which is exactly what we're doing.
And I'm pretty sure we're lost already,
Yep.
so. But there's no shortage of sites, and they're selling everything.
Everything. buying? We got no room for nothing. What are we buying?
We don't have the budget for anything.
Oh yeah, shoot the budget. Yeah, okay. Let's go explore.
Well, should we do a where are you from count?
Yeah.
Every time somebody says where are you from, we do a count.
Let's try.
Ladies, this is the best place. Where are you from?
Canada.
Are you really? Let me show you something very special.
The where are you from count is officially at 2. The Canada count is at 3. I think our where are you from count is at 6. Maybe 7. I'm losing track.
We've been walking around for a while now, where I'm pretty sure we've been to the same places because the shopkeepers have also been saying, welcome back. Would you like to look again?
I remember you.
I remember you. I've never seen that man in my life. I can't believe how nice people are.
So true. Yeah, the shopkeepers are just so friendly. Like, you kind of expect to be like bombarded with questions and like trying to get you in their shop. And there's a little bit of that, but when you say no, they're like, okay.
Have a nice day.
So lovely. Makes
Super
for a
nice.
really nice shopping experience. So we've ordered lunch. We found a cute little restaurant and ordered lunch for, I think it's supposed to be 58 lira, which is like $6.50 US. And everywhere we've ordered in Turkey, we always get a starter of bread and some sort of delicious dip. So for lunch, I have a meat doner. It's got lamb in it. Fancy. Mico got a plate of meat on rice with french fries and what is called salad here. It looks incredible though. The meat. It comes off of the, what's that called? Spinning thing? The shawarma spinner thing with all the meat. So it's juicy and so yummy.
I love this country's food.
So lunch was delicious and all in with some water that we got and a tip. It was 70 lira.
I don't think we're gonna hit this
I know.
$100 today,
I
guys.
actually don't know that we're gonna. We're gonna try.
was
But you
deli-
could definitely do it for less.
Are you from America or Canada?
Canada.
Canada, America are very similar.
Very similar.
It is difficult to spot them.
Yes, I bet.
Okay. And can I show you our shop to see what we have?
I think we're okay today, but I appreciate the conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank
Nice.
you.
You take care. Turkish people are the bomb.
Super nice.
So nice.
Wow. This place is gorgeous.
Well, the mosque is closed today. Closed for renos.
Should be open a couple days.
Yeah, hopefully.
We're here all week, so
That's so true.
we'll just,
We'll just
hang
come
out
back.
until they're done, and then we'll come back later.
However, it is free to get in. And if you don't come with the correct clothing and you need some extra pieces to cover up, also free. So, it doesn't change our budget for the day. If it was open, we could have seen it and spent $0.
So shall
Let's
we
do Hagia Sophia.
head up that one over there?
That one.
That one looks pretty nice.
Yes.
Wow. That is so cool. You know, that I kind of thought it might be like a little overrated coming and see it, but it's definitely not. That's it's quite a remarkable mosque.
So far, it hasn't cost us anything to be in here.
So we found a comfy spot to hang out in while we sit around and watch the people take in the mosque.
It was built in like 537. It is very old. And it was actually first made as a Christian church, then converted to a Catholic church, then into a mosque, then into a museum. And last year in 2020, it was converted back into a mosque.
I can see why you would keep reusing the building. It's so gorgeous.
And the carpet is so soft.
Some really soft carpet.
Super nice carpet. It must be changed like twice a year, man. It's good.
All right, we're all done. The Hagia Sophia.
Yeah, it was beautiful. And now we are headed really in search of a Turkish coffee. I think we're gonna go to the spice market. Because the other thing is we have lots of money left. So we think we might come under budget so far. Although we do have some plans for this evening that will cost us a little bit. So I guess we'll see.
So, feeling adventurous. But we're still gonna go for like a $5 dinner, so.
I mean, obviously.
Obviously.
You can take the pictures and خلاص.
As you go?
Yes.
Okay, so you said 3:30?
Yes, right. Let's start the departure.
So we were trying to find coffee at the spice market, but we ended up at the water. And we have heard about the Bosphorus tour?
Yeah, it's like kind of like a boat tour.
Yeah, it's a boat tour. You basically just ride around a boat for a while and get to see a bunch of sights from the water. And we'd heard it was actually really affordable, 25 lira, which is, I don't know, $4 or something like that. Maybe less, actually. Maybe more like 250. But anyways, I think we might do that.
No problem. Yeah, that's one.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
What's
Almost
that?
got on for free. The guy gave me tickets and forgot to take my money. So maybe this is a free activity if you plan it well enough. All right, I think we're first.
I was promised coffee. I don't see any coffee yet,
Maybe.
but I think there might be some downstairs.
All right. Juice.
How much is that?
Presently free. Turkish people are so nice. And I pay later. So we'll pay later. But it's gonna be 20.
20
lira.
lira.
Again, almost the same price as one of our tickets.
It's on this boat.
They're so cheap to be on here. Anyway, a couple bucks.
Cheers.
The boat has turned around. We're more than halfway there. And this is the Asia side.
We finally got our coffee.
We didn't get a Turkish coffee though, did we?
I mean, it comes in a small cup. 40. 2 coffees and 2 orange juices.
And we paid 50 to get on the boat.
So the food was 40 and then the tickets were 50. So that's how they make their money. But not too bad at all.
Safe and sound.
We're here. Back in Europe.
That was an awesome way to see the city. Highly recommend. Really, really affordable. It was nice to be on the water and check it out from the water's edge and see types of buildings that we would not have seen otherwise because they're just a bit too far away. The city is so big that like you just can't see everything. You would be in transit all day. So that was an awesome way to do it. An hour and a half we were on the boat. Not a bad way to check out some more of the city. So we're walking along the bridge, trying to find a spot for dinner. And there are tons of folks, you can see behind me, who are fishing off the side of the bridge. They're pulling up itty bitty guys though. I don't know what they're used for, but they're not very large. Okay, so by far the most expensive thing we are doing today is getting drinks during sunset on a rooftop bar. But they are gorgeous. They cost us, I think, 200 lira. So way pricier than the rest of our day. This is not budget friendly, but I think it's an awesome choice.
We still have about 15 US dollars left in the budget for dinner later today. So I think we're looking pretty good.
Like, at least it's actually so delicious. I was nervous it wasn't going to be very good, which was just going to be sad. It's really yum. It's sweet. Drinks are done. everything's in for the day. Our total is $85 US spent so far today. So we'll be drinking water from here on out, but that still leaves us with $15. So $85 for an awesome day of sightseeing in Istanbul, Turkey. So coming here with a budget of $100 a day is totally doable. With some splurges in there too.
Okay, those sunset cocktails don't happen very often. This is definitely more our style. This dinner is $3, and that puts our total to $88 for the day for 2 people. Not bad if you're looking at a $100 budget for seeing Istanbul. So with that, we'll end our day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. The hunt for a nice restaurant goes on. Or, dang it, begins.
So close.
All right, we're at their Air BnB.
I'm sorry. You do it one more time.
Deal.
Just playing with my hair. Okay.
All right.
Let me start that again because I was looking at the ceiling.